Hi there, my name is Darby. Welcome back. Today we will begin discussing business types and forms of ownership. In the words of Elon Musk, if you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. Let's get started.
First, let's look at the history of money. Have you ever wondered where and why money first began? Before mankind was exchanging currency, we existed primarily on a barter system. A barter system is when consumers exchange services and goods for other services and goods. If you are a fur trapper but need a pair of shoes, you might trade furs to the cobbler in exchange for shoes. This system, however, did not last long. Can you guess why? What if the cobbler already had 10 furs and did not need any more? It means there would be no way for you to get shoes because the cobbler didn't need your furs. Thus, the currency system was born, and it is suspected to have come into existence around 5000 BC. Traders needed an object to consider valuable so they could easily and more efficiently exchange goods and services. Throughout history, currency has been many things, from shells to gold or teeth. As society grew, so did the ways in which businesses developed. The more complex business became, the more regulations, laws, and definable structures became necessary. Questions like, what if I want to start a business with a friend? Or what if I want my business to exist to help people and not be for profit? Have led to a diverse range of business forms and types of ownership. This lesson will explore exactly what those are, what purposes they serve, and what makes them so interesting. These are the key terms you will want to learn for this lesson are: asset, a piece of property or investment owned by an individual or organization. A barter system is when consumers exchange services and goods for other services and goods. Capital is wealth in the form of money possessed by a person or organization. A corporation is a business structure in which the business is established as a legal entity, separate from the owners themselves. A for-profit business is a business that exists for the sake of making a profit and then uses that profit to grow the business. A limited liability corporation, LLC, a business structure that combines the benefits of both a corporation and a sole proprietorship. Manufacturing business, businesses responsible for producing goods from raw materials. But wait, there's more. A merchandising business means businesses that specifically buy tangible goods and resell them to turn a profit. A not-for-profit business, a business whose primary role is to provide for society's needs and specifically has no owners. A partnership is a business structure in which the business is owned by two or more individuals. Retailers is another term for businesses specializing in buying tangible goods and reselling them for a profit. Retail price, the price at which the retailer sells to the direct consumer. Service business, a type of business that provides a customer with a non-physical or intangible product. Shareholders, individuals who own pieces or shares of a company. Sole proprietorship, a business structure in which the business is owned by a single person. Tax exemption, being free from the responsibility of paying taxes. Wholesale price, the price at which the manufacturer sells goods to a retailer. We will be learning about the 4 basic forms of business structure as you read this week's text. For example, a sole proprietorship is when a business is owned by a single person. They are easy to establish and allow the owner to have autonomy over business decisions. However, the owner of a sole proprietorship faces unlimited liability, meaning she is fully responsible for liabilities to customers and creditors. In other words, if the owner cannot make a payment on a business loan, the bank can come after her personal assets. Additionally, if the business hurts a customer, the customer can bring suit against the owner. Pay close attention to the other business structures as you complete your reading assignment. Finally, did you know there are 5 keys to truthfulness? 2 of the 5 keys are: face the facts and tell the truth. See what you can learn about the other 3 keys while reading your text for this lesson.